All right, let's try this event mode out. First person. Let's start it. Let's try it. I don't even really know what it is.
Where the fuck I am.
Everyone spam custom games. We'll make custom games in the future for sure.
Good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
How we doing?
Good evening. Hello, 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 hello.
Yes, hello there.
Two dubs.
Aloha.
Where we going?
Hacienda?
Severny?
Whoa, look at this weather. This is
Sure.
really cool looking. This right here with no rain. Wait, what the fuck is that? Sweet donation. Thank you for the $5. I didn't think that would actually work. I literally didn't see anything on my screen for a second. I was like, what the fuck? This right here should be a weather type in the actual game.
Where the fuck I am.
Nothing else. No rain. Nothing. Just like this. This should be a weather type in the actual game. Just an overcast.
Where the fuck I am.
No rain, nothing. I would play this. This looks great. It's not, there's no fog. But if rain and fog comes in, then maybe not, but.
My
Uh,
girlfriend's pregnant?
I think we go, oh, we're going there? Oh, okay. See you there.
What? Shroud?
That's actually him. That's what
Shroud?
I'm trying not to I'm not trying to fangirl.
Wait,
That's
what?
not Shroud.
Shroud's in the game?
Yeah, dude, number 7, I think.
That's not Shroud. Is it?
Yeah, I'm literally on
Harry
the screen
McScary.
right now.
Harry McScary, thank you for the 9 months. Tia,
You're
thank you.
not. No way.
Smoochie, thank you for the 1
Dude,
year.
I swear to fucking God, it's him. Okay,
I
but
have
I'm not
to go
freaking
back.
out.
I'll have
That's
to
fine.
go back and watch one of his videos.
Everyone,
stay.
stay cool, okay? Let's jump. You guys got your spot set on or what?
Yeah, come on, let's go.
What up?
Hello.
Hello.
Yo.
I think we should all get naked for a stream.
Absolutely.
I am.
I'm already there.
Dude, look, I'm
I like
trying
where
to
this is
cover my
going.
penis because my penis is too
Everyone
big to
take
be
off your
shown.
clothes while jumping.
I can't even do it. My fucking hand's shaking.
Is it
Dude,
cold or...
relax.
Holy shit, there's a lot of people here. Oh wait, no, that's just one team. I forgot 8-player teams.
Oh, fuck me. Yeah, there's like a team and a half here.
This weather type is cool. I like it.
I wish they would bring it back, honestly.
Did they change like lighting in this game too? It looks different.
No,
Hey,
it's just,
you guys know
event.
what?
What did they? They
The
did
event
something in
makes
this game to make
everything
it feel
easy.
better. Something.
Yeah, you guys want to know a secret?
Yes.
Dylan is gay for buying a Nintendo Switch.
What?
You bang the Nintendo Switch.
Where the fuck I am.
What?
What?
Everyone's so confused.
Where the fuck I am.
What? What is that noise? Oh my god, a flare. Hell yeah.
We're not in circle.
Everybody good?
They made the red dots bigger. Am I going crazy? They changed some shit. They made the red
We
dots
got a
bigger.
ways to go. dude.
100% they made the red dots bigger. Right?
Fucking, I hate the armored vehicles, dude. They suck so bad.
Do they have a gun on it? Or is it just the vehicle?
No, it's just an armored vehicle, basically, and it's got the fucking... It's like, alright, so it's all armored so nobody can shoot you from the outside, but the fucking tires can be popped.
The guy 70 at the church.
Where the fuck I am.
What is that noise? What is happening in there? What is that?
On church, 350?
Where the fuck I am.
What the
Getting shot at.
Nobody in here?
One of
fuck is going on? This is weird.
Cutting across from the church,
Here, Shroud.
65.
Hello? Yes. Ooh.
He's on the church right now, 355.
Flare gun.
Doesn't have any.
Knock him.
Okay.
Just has one.
It doesn't have a shot. I don't have a shot. You have the shot.
Didn't have ammo.
Oh.
Anybody need a gun? I have an M16. I'm not using.
I mean, I'll.
Need it? You want it?
I have an SKS, but I'm low on ammo.
Here, I got a little bit extra.
Uh-oh. There's two of them. One's down. That was the guy that killed me. There's still one more in that corner there. Left square. Oh boy, I can't heal.
Another one.
Dead.
5. He's in the building.
Hey, Shroud, you need first aid?
I do.
Jumped out of the building.
762 as well.
Fuck I am.
Oh, thank you. You guys are so nice. Across the street, 60. Behind this
Everybody
blue
good?
house. In the blue house, actually. What? We're good. How does that... What?
Where the fuck
I guess let's cross together.
It says I just killed somebody, so he's done.
Yeah, I got a flare gun, so if we need a car.
Oh my god. Guns.
If anybody finds a UMP, let me know.
Where the fuck I am.
There was, I think there's one on the guy on the body in the street. Back where we came from.
God, I don't trust the dog. I don't know where he went. I don't trust little Troy.
Well, I'd hate to be in one of Force.
Did you know you could Postmates anything?
That
Literally, you can get
fucking
pet
dude
supplies
goes through
for
some
Postmates.
Shit.
You're out of dog food? Out of dog treats? Postmates. Don't even have to leave. I found that out yesterday,
We
actually.
got a ways to go. Start heading in.
Wait.
Yo,
can
did we kill everybody here?
I don't think so.
So
The
the guy I killed
Yeah.
over here was an instant.
Yeah. All right. Well, can we get that armored car? I want to see it. Do we have a flare?
Yeah, here I'll shoot it off.
Do we have to wait till the air is clear? Somebody said that to me.
It used to be like that, but
Yeah, you have to
Okay.
wait till the air is completely clear.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't know. It used to be. I don't think it's like that anymore.
Dude, last round, me and my buddy shot 5 of them at the same time, and not one fucking drop came to us.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait
Okay.
then.
All right. All right.
There's a bike up here.
Yeah.
What the hell? There's a new. What?
What?
You look different on a bike. There's an animation for it.
Animation?
Wait,
Yeah,
what?
look. Get off at the back. Watch. Look at me. Hold on, let me just turn around. I need to be going fast. You'll see. All right, now look at me on the bike. No, you don't see it. No.
Yeah,
Okay.
it looks like you're just normally going.
What? Okay, get back on it.
Oh,
Do it
what
again.
was it?
Do it again. Hold on, maybe that was a bug. Just one person go on the bike and just drive. Go down the street. Maybe that was a bug that I saw.
Yeah, it looks like it's just driving normally.
Hold on. Cruise back. Yeah, okay.
Where the fuck I am.
Ah, it might have been a bug.
Hit the brakes? Okay, it was a bug then. That was fucking weird. You should have seen what I saw. It looked like you were like standing on the bike. That's okay.
What? Like the default?
Anybody want to
models?
drive this? I'll fucking die if I try riding this bike.
Where the fuck I am.
Can we get... Wait, we can't get the thingy yet? The
No, we
US
can't.
or whatever?
You have to be in circle.
No, I mean
Aren't
for-
you out of circle for the UAZ?
Yeah, out of circle and in circle for the vehicle.
Yeah, in circle for weapons, out of circle for vehicle.
You know what? Just shoot the flare.
I got a Dacia on me. Anybody need a ride?
Yeah, I don't want to drive. I'm pretty bad at driving.
Okay, I want to see what happens here. I think we should be good.
Also, friendly fire is off, so don't worry about running your teammates over or anything.
Oh, really?
Where the fuck I am.
Yeah, it's off. You could shoot each other in the head.
Yep, it is off.
Gotta test it, I mean. Alright, plane, where you at?
So is this plane coming or? Oh shit! Oh. All right. Well, I can't heal. So
I'm so sorry. I don't know what just happened.
you hit the bike and the bike hit me. So it wasn't like really you hitting me. It was the bike hitting me.
Oh, yeah, there's
you
a
know?
green zone on my mini-map. I think it's coming.
Yeah, that's where the you need help. Or are you good?
Does anyone have any first aids?
Yeah, I
Some
got some
bandages.
Where the fuck I am.
Yay.
Oh yeah, we got the car now. Oh cool, I've never seen this before. Can I drive it?
Yeah. You
Try
can't
to
see,
get
you can't
first
see
aid.
shit out of it, though.
Ah, whatever. Wait, what'd you ask? What do I need?
First aid.
Yeah, I don't have any. I'm just using bandages.
Oh, yo, I got an extended mag and a cheek pad for SR if you need.
I'll take it. Yeah.
I'm not using it, so. It's on me right here in the road.
Where the fuck I am.
Where is it?
Anybody hear me? I got an 8x if anybody wants an 8x.
So this is it, huh?
Yeah, real fancy.
Yeah, you just can't see out of it when you drive it. That sucks.
Damn, it controls pretty well. But you can't get shot, right?
No, you can't get shot.
Yeah. They should make the tires bulletproof as well. That'd be cool. Bro, I can't see anything. And the fog doesn't help.
Told
Yeah.
ya.
You should put a mounted gun on this thing.
That'd be so sick.
We might as well. They only use it for like the fun event modes. Might as well go all the way with it.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
Anybody have a flare gun or no?
Where the fuck I am.
I have one. I just don't have ammo.
Negative.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
Should we just
Fucking
make our way to
red
military base, or?
Oh my god, this circle sucks. I guess. If we don't die to this red zone.
We could take the east bridge since we're still in circle. Better luck that way, I think.
Let's do it. I'm afraid of this red zone. Oh. Oh god, I can't see. I can't see. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, you don't take damage.
Oh, I took damage.
What? I didn't
I
take
did.
damage. That's... What? Okay.
You guys good?
Yeah, I think.
What the hell happened?
I don't...
Unless we get attacked by a tree again.
Oh my god, on us.
I can save you. Hold on. I'm coming in, bitches. Oh my god. That thing isn't that armored. That thing should literally... It shouldn't be able to blow up, okay? Or if it does, it should be so many shots. That thing died way too fast. Like, that is not armored. That's just a regular vehicle that blocks some bullets. That should be literally fully bulletproof, and you should just be able to fucking run people over.